Kiddo Colors to our drawing and coloring class. Today we are going to learn how to draw and paint a beautiful sofa step by step. Get your pencil, eraser, colors and paper ready. Let's begin. Before we start drawing, let's learn color names first. Red color, light green color, black color, pink color, brown color, purple color, yellow color, light blue color, orange color, dark green color. Amazing, kids! Kids, this is sofa. Amazing, kids! Our sofa drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. This is yellow color. Kids, this is yellow color. Our sofa is yellow. This is violet color. Kids, this is violet color. Well done, kids! Our sofa drawing is complete. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kito Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next fun drawing. Keep drawing, keep smiling, keep learning.